In this video, you will learn how to create a 3D pie chart in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have generated this 3D pie chart using this set of data. It is the data about the family expenditure. First column shows the items and second one shows the expenditure. Currently, you can see here I have only 5 items. If you have more than 7 items, then it is better to use bar of pie chart or pie of pie chart. Separate video tutorials on bar of pie chart and pie of pie chart are available on our channel. You can watch those videos. In this video, you will only learn how to create a 3D pie chart. So let's start this tutorial without any further delay. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. To generate a pie chart, firstly I will select this data. After selecting this data, go to Insert tab. And here you will find the option of charts, and under chart you will find multiple option of charts. From here I will choose insert pie or donut chart, select this one, and here you will find different options. In previous video you have learned how to create a simple pie chart, how to create a pie of pie chart, and how to create a bar of pie chart. If you are interested to learn about these charts, then separate video tutorials are available on our channel. You can watch those videos. In this video, our focus is 3D pie chart. I will select this one. Now you can see here Microsoft Excel has inserted a 3D pie chart. I will place it here. Firstly, I will edit its title. Select this one. Go to formula bar. Put equal sign and select this cell, which is the family expenditure. Press enter. Now you can see here we have successfully changed the title. Again go to home and select black color. From here I will choose the font size 16 and I will bold it. After that, click on this chart and go to chart design option. Here you will find different options. This one is the chart style. You can choose any style according to your desire. Here is a change color option. You can use this option to change the color using inbuilt schemes of Microsoft Excel. Additionally, you can also conditionally format the color according to your requirement. Here is the option of quick layout. You can use this option to format graph according to your desire. Now you will learn how to insert data label. To insert data label, go to chart element option, which is the plus sign. And from here I will select data label. Now you can see here we have selected data labels, but it is not according to our requirement because I want to insert item names as well as the expenditure in percentages. I will select this one. Again click on this data label. You can see here whole data labels are selected. Right click. Here you will find the option of format data labels. Select this one. From here you will find different options. If you want to insert a value from selected cells, you can use this option. If you want to display series name, you can use this option. I will not select this option. I am interested to insert category name, so I will choose this option. Here is the option of values, which is already selected. I will deselect it, and I want to insert values in the form of percentage, so I will select this one. After that, I am not interested to show ladder lines, so I will deselect this one. And here is the option of separated. From using this drop down list, you can select any comma, semicolon, period, new line or space. Now I will close this one. Go to home tab and I will choose black color for these data labels. Bold it. And I will choose font size 10. Now you can see here we have already inserted the items names in this pie chart, so there is no need of this legend. Select this one and press backscape button to remove this legend. Now click on this chart. You can see here whole chart is selected. It is indicated by these small circles. right click and go to format data series. Here you will find the option of fill and line option. From here go to border option and select solid line, and the width of line will be 2pt. Close this one, click on this graph and again click on a particular slice which you want to select. For example, I want to select this food slice. I will again click on here. Now you can see here only this slice is selected. It is indicated by these 3 small circles. After doing that, place your cursor on that particular slice and right click. Here you will find the option of format data point. Select this one, go to fill and line option, and here is the option of fill. From here I will choose solid fill, and in color you can choose any color. For example, I will choose green color. Again click on another slice, and from here you can choose any color. For example, in this case I will choose red color. Select third one and choose its color. I will choose purple. So by doing so you can easily change the color of slice in Microsoft Excel. I will close this one. Now again click on this chart, right click, and here you will find the option of format data series. Select this one, go to effect option, and here you will find the option of 3D format. Select this one. From top barrel click here, and from here I will select round. Similarly, go to bottom barrel option and click on this drop down menu, and from here I will select round. Now instead of 6pt I will write 250pt for each. 250, 250, again 250, and again 250. Now you can see here the look of pie chart is changed now. Again go to this series option. From here you can select the angle of first slice using this option. You can use these arrows. Similarly, if you are interested to explode a pie slice, you can also use this option. Currently you can see here the whole chart is selected. Again click on that particular slice. Now you can see here only food slice is selected, so you can explode it using this option. If you want to explode whole charts, then select the whole chart, and using this option you can explode that chart. Now again click on these data labels, right click, and here you will find the option of format data labels. Scroll down and here you will find label position. From here you can select center, inside and outside and or best fit. Now you can see here we have successfully completed the formatting of 3D pie chart. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.